I kind of thought you might like it. You don't like it? Oh, I can take it back. It's not a big deal. I just thought... Oh, hey. Merry Christmas to you too, Max. That's gonna get old. What was that? Hello?
Hi. Remember me?
Yes, I do. I remember you.
My name is Cindy Lou. Cindy Lou who?
It's nice to meet you, Cindy Lou. Oh, my name is Grinch. And, this is Max.
Whoa, nice to meet you, Max. I just came to invite you to our house for Christmas dinner.
What? Me? But I took your gifts.
Yeah, I know.
And your trees.
Yep.
I stole your whole Christmas.
I know you did. But we're inviting you anyway.
But why?
'Cause you've been alone long enough. Dinner's at 6. Don't be late. And make sure you bring your sweet doggy too.